Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download Zoe dating app. Let's begin. Open your Play Store. Then you can see search apps, tap on it, and there type Zoe dating app. Make sure you look for the official Zoe app, which is by Zoe app again. Then tap on install after it. Might vary with your internet speed. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Your Zoe lesbian dating and chat app has been downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.